This video will introduce all the product components in the box of ARF2F motor protector. The main components of ARF2F include current transformer, main module and display unit. On the left, these are auxiliary accessories, including network cable, buckle and terminal roll. This video will introduce the wiring of ARF2F 100 ampere, a current transformer. The current transformer within 100 ampere, which is fixed at the bottom of the circuit breaker through the nut. The 8B and C phase cables of the circuit breaker pass through the 8B and C holes marked on the transformer respectively, and the arrow direction on the identification points to the end load. The secondary line of the transformer connects 4 lines of different colors to the current acquisition port of the main module. This video will introduce the wiring of ARF2F main module. The main module is fixed on the 35mm guide rail through the buckle on the back. The wiring starts from the lowest power supply, voltage and current. The auxiliary power supply is taken from the lower end of the circuit breaker. Any phase L wire is connected to the terminal 1 and line is connected to terminal 2. The 3-phase voltage is also taken from the lower end of the circuit breaker, and line is connected to terminal 3. B and C phase are connected to terminals 4, 5, and 6, respectively, through the fuse. Yellow, blue, red, and black 4 lines from the transformer are connected to terminals 43, 44, 45, and 42, respectively. The above is the wiring of ARF2F power supply, 3-phase voltage, and 3-phase current. This video will introduce the wiring of relay output and RS485 communication terminal. The middle row of terminals contains the relay output and communication ports of ARF2F. Usually, with the protection function, only connect the terminals 95 and 96 to the contactor coil controller loop. For start-off control function, the wiring involving DO1 and DO2 is required. This video will not show. RS485 communication A and B port is located on the right side of this row of terminals. 25 is port A1 and 26 is port B1, leading to the connection device with shielded, twisted pair wire. This video will introduce the wiring of ARF2F LCD displaying unit. The display unit is installed in the cutout position of the cabinet panel. There is a buckle to be fixed both on the left and right side of the display unit. The display unit and the main body are connected through the standard network cable. That's all of ARF2F wiring. Thanks for watching it. This video will introduce the wiring of the AWT100 Smart Gateway. AWT100 is composed of communication module, AWT100 Wi-Fi and power supply module, AWT100 PAL. Port 1 and 2 of the AWT100 PAL are power port L, N. The communication port on the AWT100 communication module is A and B, where A is 21 and B is 22. To connect the gateway with the motor protector, it will need to connect the port A and B of AWT100 to the A and B communication ports of ARF2F. It is installed by 35mm guide rail. After finishing the connection, turn on the power and check whether the indicator light is green on. This video shows that ARF2F controls the pump of waterfall, start and stop process through the display unit. Before shooting, the control authority and starting mode have been set in advance. Press Start 1 button, and DO1 closes. The pump starts. Press Stop button, and DO1 disconnects. The pump and the waterfall stop at the same time.